Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mom is cooking me the DUM PUKH, which my mom's also eat when she was a little children, like age of me. So today she is making it for me. We used 2 kilogram meat, 5 or 6 tomatoes, 5 potatoes, lemon, onions and green chilies. 1/2 cup we will put the oil, 2 tablespoons salt, and later on we will put it for cook for around 1 hour.
और बनाते उसका
Look at how nice it is cooked. Nice. See how tasty is it? Let me show you clearly. See the meat? Let me show you clearly. Wow, what a color. So much nice. Thanks mom for cooking this for me, and thanks you guys.